Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Volkswagen Passat key fob. You're going to need one of the replacement batteries. This takes a 2032. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. And a small screwdriver is optional. It's not necessary to get this done, but it definitely can be helpful. So first thing you want to do is remove this mechanical key. And you want to do that by sliding this latch over and then pushing that out. Now this is the portion that's going to be coming up. And what you want to do is where the key just came out, slide the key back in about that much and then apply pressure this way. And if it can't, you can see about how far the key is in. If you can't get it out, you can just get a small screwdriver and pry it like that. And also here, you can use a screwdriver or you can just use your key. Either way, make sure you replace the battery with the positive side facing outward like that. Clip this back together. Put your key back in, and then flip it over here. Make sure you got your red light blinking, and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.